Hi! In front of me is POCO X5, and today I would like to show you where you can find all typing features available on this POCO. You need to start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Now tap on Additional Settings. Following that, select Languages and Input, Manage Keywords, and Gbird. Lastly, click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are over here. If you want to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!